Miana Mecca. We knew Bia which Muriakan, Sunny Becan, no crane, Pepe yo out to Aquem. Bede the Aquasi in Siasimidi Cabre and Edrusi. Best 3 days ni and National Disaster Management Organization, NADMO, and the Greater Accra Regional Minister, and some other government officials, at 2 and more say, Okocha don't put them while lagoon kesebu or sabia onum. Amanfo esinsuo esidan esi lagoon no eso eti ama a block lagoon no se huni ese enche ba bewura insutobre mu ya nhwe ne yentu anamo enne enyi sa nkofo na amfa mfiri ho no mu a se insutobre ehya ese eba se kima esuyiri ebeba enkrankrodwe mu eti ene adanya kesia we the past best 3 days near not body national security to anamo am ya dwiri bebre na akasegu na the director general of NADMO eteki central for along anamoto ya mo etwin echechira no de nti omo etu sa na mo yi ene o house omo antimi antu a ekwa akofade aba hwewe yemede wonkomo
channel that connect the lagoon and straight to the sea. So this volumes of water comes all the way from the eastern region and then flow through here and from the communities. Now people have intentionally raised this face. They filled up the place more than 6 feet from the original grounds upward, and it's even higher than the community itself. So waters that are supposed to be flow from the community into the basement here is blocked, and so it gets flooded. So if anybody comes here and look at it, it's still an intention. If you look down there, you can see that trees are being cut in preparation or preparing to further move into the lagoon and block the lagoon. But if you look, this is just a bed of the lagoon, just close by. You can see the water here. So look at how close they fill the water straight down into the very core of the water being flow. So when it rains, what do we expect? That the whole of this community's area will be flooded, not because that planners have not done their work, but because community and people have decided to encroach and fill up these spaces, put up structures, and then when people come, they carry the human face.
Eti Major retired Dr. Kuyon. I don't know. Nia water cheni na se uhwe baabi one nsa etena ensutia kakra bi da on ma lagoon no ana manfo atu anya benya se ye kata lagoon so ne esidan e de esi so pa so mama me abrosan na mpanfo omudwiri egu ye no Ghana for to da bia sebi ya so den to da bia ya na ya so den ye nimpe fe pass baby a ye ade we or how ebeba ye beka ya no atom atna se din no how na ba ne asabu aban edin biem baby a ye si dan ye nyina ye ne twa pe fe pass enye be papa obie ni wo si dan wasabi on wa oso wonim se baby o si dan enye be papa there's nobody obie ni wo Opipia was the dying, and was Sala good said, Obia, and him said, Baby, was it down, and Nicholas was still dying. But as usual, leadership affiliate, leadership and affiliate of my Ghana. Because the leadership affiliate, yet just in Chemo BNC 4-story building. Now, feeling nearby, see a quack with Eti assembly na sad we shira asem no mo yede man video no assembly no eyede na assembly no etwolum eyede a yetna sia ye twan amakwabra ni esi abrosa ye to so enan ene ne yesi ekwa kodwiregu an assembly city planner ni won ekeka ho nyina so to bibi anyomo obi aka hwencha nkyere omo etu otome se to na makobi fro ni akwa gisika ni asaye asami akwa kodwiri e de egubiem we ya aban ka o Sa afiri ye di edwiri eden ku nyina ya renti o. Ya to fuolo. Omo amkwa be mo allowance kakra o. We nyina ya banka ba nipa na oye ma sa eka we eba ye wote assembly hodom no obi aka hwe fa nkyere no. Ona setwo. Ye bede tinye tompon agine na so se oman se. When this is going to be our thinking. Ya na mo to ya yetu. It is sabi yesi dano nipa hu. Say yesi abrose eto aso 4 nipa hu. Ade. And ye man say. Kakre nipa bagye dinti. Ni nipa bagye dinti. Ena ka galam say kuna be den dia maye no. Kakre nipa bagye dinti. Olunko bedi dia me magana obokra. O ye okay. O ye nipa bonini. O ye man bofo. And I'm looking at the original minister. Your man is one more. You go back to the assembly. Why no one know one more? Up to now, I pay me. You can't find trouble. Because with all due respect, it doesn't make sense. Say obviously down to us so 4-story building. You see, you know down, and then you have to number so you can Diego. And Did you have here? Asem de Kenya. Ye de ye adwumani. Wonso ye de ahyo mo sanso mo so adwuma. Wonso time mo no so ye adwuma. Wonso te bia be na senema say ekoso enye di na nka wano ntum kasa. Because enso yiri ni ba enye ba ko fofie na beko. Ebe yira fe nyina. Eni pense mu eto aso. Makra.